If you're needing to change your Polaris Tail Sweep Hose, I want to show you just how easy it is to do. This is the Polaris 3900 Sport, and here's what you got to do. When you get a new hose, all you got to do is take the hose and clip it into the nozzle right there till it's flush. And then this is the beauty of it right here. Let me zoom in close. This little locking mechanism is the key. And the trick is, don't try to pry up and then try to get these teeth separated with your fingers. It's going to be really hard. Instead, just pull this top one towards you and push the back one away, and it just slides off, disconnects, and then when you're going to go tighten it, let the teeth clamp in, and that's all you got to do. So once again, just pull one towards you, one away, and then slide that down onto over that nozzle, and then give it a nice pinch. You'll hear it click, the teeth will engage, and that'll stay on there real tight. So that's it, really super easy. And then of course, put it back in the pool, get back to work.